So I'm going to have my nephew hold you the full-size post up because I get the question. They say, wow, that's real nice, but it's only 14 inches tall. It's only because it's my demo. They're full size. It's whatever size it needs to be. We actually, right now, we can do a wood post up to about 90 inches. And steel posts, we have no limitation. Posts no longer have to break the thermal barrier. Oh, and also, how would you feed a cable rail if you have a threaded rod going through your post like we do? As you can see here, I can go right through because we have a patented threaded rod that allows you to feed the cable right through for cable rail. And again, this is the bracket that's under here in the waterproofing, so you can see. So now we can attach posts, so you see they're bored all the way through. There's a shelf, heavy washer, threaded rod goes through, and it's held down with compression. So another problem that I'm sure you've seen, because I've seen it, I see it every day actually, is posts that crack the pavers, posts that cracks the concrete because of all the pressure that you apply. So there's your post mounted, but we want to attach to a paver and we don't want to crack it. That's when we developed the post on paver. So you might say he's going to reduce the stress because he has a flange underneath and that's going to spread the load. But we could actually reduce that stress to zero, have no stress on the paver. And I have multiple ways to do that, and here's one. Nill bracket is installed, and I don't care if this is concrete, wood, steel, I don't care what the structure is. This bracket is in here, this is waterproofed in cleanly. Now, we want to install a paver. If you want to go higher, we have different mounts for that. So this one is a low riding paver, but if you want to go higher, we have different mounts to secure that. But how we do this is, here's your paver, line it up with the hole. Here's our MB3 TBD, threaded onto the 3/4 inch thread. We simply screw this into the bracket below, screw down to the paver, there is no stress on that paver. It's all being supported from the Nill bracket below, and there's zero stress on that paver, but yet we can mount directly to it. The Nill bracket under here, by the way, is universal, so if you had a thin paver, instead of taking the stem and going through the paver, you would simply turn it upside down and go up into the post. Here's your post on paver.